Welcome, kiddos, to the wonderful world of fruits. Get ready to learn about various fruits with fun facts and vibrant images. Let's begin. Meet apple. Apples are red, green, or yellow and are crunchy and sweet. They keep your teeth strong. Look, it's banana. Bananas come in a yellow peel and are soft and sweet inside, great for quick energy. This is orange. Oranges are juicy and full of vitamin C to keep us healthy. Say hello to strawberry. Strawberries are small, red, and covered with tiny seeds, bursting with sweetness. These are grapes. Grapes grow in bunches and can be green, red, or purple, perfect for a sweet snack. Meet watermelon, huge and green outside, with sweet red flesh inside, perfect for summer. Here's pineapple. Pineapples have spiky skin and delicious yellow fruit that's great in smoothies. Say hi to mango. Mangoes are juicy and sweet, orange inside, often called the king of fruits. These are blueberries. Tiny and blue, they are sweet or tart, and healthy to eat. Hello, cherry. Small, round, and red, cherries are sweet and sometimes have a little pit inside. Meet kiwi. Kiwis are brown and fuzzy outside, bright green inside, with a unique sweet tart taste. Say hello to lemon. Bright and yellow, lemons add sour flavor to food and drinks. Here's peach. Peaches are fuzzy outside, juicy, and sweet inside, with a delightful aroma. Meet pear. Pears are green or brown, juicy, sweet, and fun to eat. These are raspberries. Red and sweet, sometimes tart, raspberries are full of flavor and fun to eat. Say hi to plum. Plums are round, purple or red, sweet, and juicy inside. Meet apricot. Apricots are orange, sweet, and tender, perfect for a healthy snack. This is melon. With a smooth skin outside, melons are juicy and sweet inside, perfect for summer. Say hello to avocado. Avocados have a creamy texture and are great to spread on bread. Meet blackberry. Blackberries are dark purple or black, sweet, and juicy, full of healthy goodness. Look at coconut. Coconuts have a hard brown shell with sweet water and meat inside. Here's fig. Figs are purple, sweet, and chewy, often found in delicious jams. Meet pomegranate. Filled with juicy red seeds, pomegranates are sweet tart and delicious. Hello, passion fruit. Passion fruits are round and purple or yellow, filled with tangy pulp. Meet guava. Guavas are green or pink inside, sweet, often eaten fresh or as juice. Here's lychee. Lychees are red, round, sweet, and juicy inside a rough shell. Meet dragon fruit. With bright pink skin and white flesh with black seeds, it's mildly sweet. Say hello to jackfruit. Jackfruits are large, green, and inside are sweet yellow pods. Meet durian. Known for its strong smell, durian is creamy and sweet inside. And that's it. We hope you enjoyed learning about fruits. Remember, eating fruits helps keep you healthy and strong. See you next time. Thank you for joining this fruity adventure.